Courts have a vital responsibility to the rule of law, which is critical to a free society. But courts are not designed to solve every problem or right every wrong in our public life. The policy decisions and value judgments of government must be made by the political branches, elected by and accountable to the people.
Tanya Washington, a law professor at Georgia State University. Tanya, good to see you. So Amy Coney Barrett's appointment, if it's approved, of course, is going to cement a 6-3 Conservative majority in the Supreme Court. In your opinion, how is that going to shape future legal decisions for America?
Well, it's great to be here with you and your viewers. It will have an impact on the court for the next 30 years. So it will impact a generation's worth of cases as they relate to women's reproductive rights, gerrymandering, voting protection, affirmative action, a whole host, same-sex marriage, a whole host of decisions may be subject to overturning by what will be a supermajority among the conservative justices.
A lot of concern among women's groups that she might one day be in a position to strike down that landmark decision, Roe v. Wade, back in 1973, legalizing abortion. Do you think it would get to that point, that something, such a cornerstone of women's rights in America could be overturned by this?
Absolutely. That concern is a very legitimate one. We have watched the court chip away at women's reproductive rights while not overturning Roe, certainly limiting its applicability. And based on the writings and the position and the personal beliefs of this nominee, it is very possible that if she is seated on the court, that Roe v. Wade will be overturned.
And we know the Democrats are very angry that this nomination is taking place before the presidential election. But as a matter of law, actually, there's not a lot they can do, can they? And given it's a Republican majority in the Senate, this is pretty much an open and shut case, isn't it?
Very much so. Unfortunately, the rules were changed in 2017. So a mere simple majority, 51 votes, will allow Judge Barrett to be confirmed, and they do have that majority in the Senate. And so the Democrats now, as they have been on the campaign trail, are just urging people to vote and to allow their decision at the ballot box around who will be the next president to be a referendum on this and many other actions by the Republican Party.
Tanya, great to speak with you. Thank you very much indeed. Tanya Washington there.